Hello, today I'm in Volvo S80. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster menu. In the beginning, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever, and thanks to this lever we can navigate through instrument cluster. Firstly, twist this button to check dSTC, average speed, current fuel consumption, average fuel consumption, range, and that's it. Also, you can press the read button to check informations. Press reset button and hold to reset info. Right here you can find total mileage of your car and trip info. Press this button to switch between trip 1 and trip 2. If you find this video helpful, please click like, comment and subscribe.